Okay, what's under your swing?
Okay. This. You have to come over here and read it correctly.
Okay. Help me, he won't let me go.
I'm very scared.
Check under here. Check under here.
Yeah, let's check.
There's nothing.
That's
Check
weird.
the other side.
Oh yeah, let's check the other side.
Yeah, other
Side, other. Why do I feel like that's been ripped out?
I don't know. All right, check it.
Okay, let's check. There's nothing other than bugs.
Oh God. Yo,
Let's
this
check
is.
the airplane.
All right.
There's
flip it.
nothing.
It's so weird. Maybe if there's a secret message.
Yeah. Wait.
What is that?
What is
Treasure?
that?
I haven't seen an X around here. I've been here a lot. I haven't seen an X. This is weird. All right, so there's nothing under these two. Where do you want to search for the X? Because we saw that X. No, it couldn't be under that. It'll be way too small. Where? This is so weird.
Wait, are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay.
Where would
I'm carrying my phone with me now.
Is that a Nerf bullet? Wait, that's a Nerf bullet.
Where? Where?
Right here.
What the heck?
Yeah, that's weird. Should we steal
What
it?
if we just collect everything that we see?
I don't think it could be in the base.
The ball game ended.
Huh. All right, go check under that structure. I'll check under here.
Wait, what is something in the fan?
Check that out. If you find it, just say, come here.
Okay.
All right. Nothing under here. This is so weird. We're at like Springside Park right now. This is, ow. I hit my head. That hurts a lot. Kind of. Okay. Where is it? All right, you know what? I'm gonna head up the structure. I'm gonna head up the structure. Okay, you search this side of the structure. I'll search this side. Okay. All right. I'm gonna get down in. Okay. Yo, this is so weird. Don't tell me this is a prank. This could be a prank. No, we literally did not write that. I mean, come on, who brings like white paint to a park?
Hey, I'm gonna send a video.
Don't say names. Okay, so we still haven't found that X or whatever we're looking for. Why's there a spoon over there? Who brings a spoon here? What the? I think I found something. Okay. There's white paint under that swing. We found more white paint. Sure. Check this out. Remember how there was white paint under that swing? I found some more.
Huh.
I don't know why it's there. Like, all right. Wait. Go check that one. I'll check all the benches and stuff.
Wait.
Huh?
What if we look at the swing again and see if it looks like a kid or adult handwriting? Let's go see.
I mean, it is paint after all. I don't think anybody has good paint handwriting.
Unless they're using
Well, actually,
like a very small bristle brush.
oh yeah, that's true. Also, people can have good handwriting. What am I saying?
True.
Okay. So, it seems like they wanted to write this really quickly.
Yeah. Like maybe they were trying to get away.
Yeah, and they
Which is making me a lot scarier.
and they're trying to warn us or something.
Yeah.
We did not write this. We did not write this.
We are not joking. We did not write
I mean,
this.
who brings white paint to a park?
Seriously.
Okay, you check that part. I'm gonna check. Yeah, check that.
Yeah.
If there's any white paint, let me know. I'm gonna go check out the benches and stuff.
Okay. If you see anything, just yell, come here.
Okay. Okay. So, bench number 1. We're at Springside Park. It looks like no. Yeah, there's no. What the? Wait, what? You know what I realized? There's no back arm. That's weird. I found a diaper. Me neither. Keep looking. Oh wait, did you already check all of it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is. Yeah.
Wait, remember what he said? He said if there's any sort of trouble, call him. Is this trouble?
I don't know his phone number.
Oh, I have him saved in my phone.
Why is?
Wait,
Okay.
what if that's like paper or something though?
I don't know. Okay.
Looks like paper.
All right. Go check those other 2 benches down there.
The
I'll
green
check.
ones?
Yeah, those 2 green ones. I'll check these 2 red ones.
Okay.
Find nothing on that. What the? I see a lot of white paint. This is. What? Did you find something?
I found
More smudges.
white paint.
More smudges?
Huh. What if they were trying to paint a picture, but they were trying to do it like super quickly and they couldn't?
Yeah.
Like someone was chasing them.
There's nothing.
There's nothing here.
Bro, what?
This is weird.
I don't know if there's anything in the sand.
Wait, should we lift it?
I don't know.
Or we got white paint on the sand.
Yeah, it's true.
Wait, that looks like something white.
I don't know. I think it might just be paint decaying, maybe.
Probably.
Alright, guys, just ignore that. That is 2 weirdos. What? We checked like all around the park. Wait, except for the next swing set. Let's go. Sorry. Oh God. You okay? Okay, let's just walk. This is so weird.
Yeah. Who would ever bring white paint to the park?
And who would? This might just be a prank. You think it's a prank?
No.
All right, there's nothing in the little swings.
There's nothing on the bottom.
Nope.
Should I send a video to you know who?
No. It's good.
Or should I call?
I think my zipper just. No. Gosh.
There's nothing.
So yeah, this is at Springside Park. You guys can go check it out right now or something.
Yeah. You guys can come check it out.
You want to quickly check the basketball court real quick?
Oh yeah, let's check the basketball court.
That's like the only place we haven't checked.
Yeah. Well, we're not here for basketball.
Yeah, because we didn't bring one.
We're here for investigating.
Yo, this is so weird. Yeah. Also, is that a shop, by the way? That looks cool. We should have brought money.
I think this one is for baseball.
Oh, wow. Oh, they look like, I think they're junior baseball kids. Alright. You want to run it the rest of the way?
Yeah.
I'll roll that.
I'm climbing.
This video is long.
Yeah.
I don't know where it would be on the basketball court, but it is kind of filled with white paint if you think about it.
Yeah, the whole thing's filled with white paint. That's not how.
Also, that got a net. That's cool. Last time it didn't have a net. Alright. So, what is this? What is this?
What is it? Wait,
There's-
wasn't this here before?
No, the writing.
Wait.
What?
BDKTNG.
That's so weird.
Wait, look at it.
Huh. What the? I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but we can.
Yeah.
That is
This is weird.
Should I just end the video?
Yeah.
I don't know. We checked the basketball court, we found something, but it doesn't make no sense.
Yeah, it makes no sense. Wait. Wouldn't there be a bunch of help me's?
That's true, unless somebody's trying to finish a prank. But they forgot to.
Yeah. Wait, are you done recording?
No, not yet.
Huh.
That's so weird. Wait, did we check the thing under the other swing?
What other swing?
The other one that didn't have the writing.
Yeah, we checked underneath that.
Yeah, we didn't find that. I don't think you should touch that. That has germs on it. The cone probably has germs on it.
Whatever. I'm getting really thirsty. I'm tempted to ask if we can go to anything and drink. I'm so thirsty.
We didn't bring money though.
Oh yeah, if my mom's home, then I could ask for her card.
Okay.
Wait. There's paint.
That's weird.
Oh wait, there's more paint.
Where?
Over here.
That's weird.
And right here. But it's blue paint and white paint. That's so
Alright,
weird.
you know what? Let's just end the video now. This is weird.
Yeah, this is getting too weird.